Hi everyone, Daisy here again with another layout for Confessions of a Paper Addict, or COAPA Cut Files on Etsy. And today I'm using this amazing title one. It's called Floordrobe, and I cut this out of this Fancy Pants paper. This is from their Yellow Door collection. And the colors just went really well with my photos, which are of my son's amazing ability to put his laundry away. So this was actually one picture where it showed the empty basket, and then in the background you can see the pile of clothing. So I send my kids up with their basket full of clean clothes, and him and my youngest daughter both end up with some sort of mixed random pile of clothing on their floor. None of them go in the dresser. It's just everything in a pile on the floor. So this Floordrobe cut file was perfect for that. I'm using this blue cardstock to back parts of the cut file, and actually I think this might be the only part I end up backing, and it's just like a pile of laundry. Because I cut the cut file out of some pattern paper, I wanted to use a cardstock to back it. Excuse me. And I was thinking that I would also back kind of behind all of the like open parts of the letters, but I do end up changing my mind on that. But I spent a little bit of time going down this road. I thought it would give some more, I don't know, like more color or something. But I decided that I don't really like the way it looks, so I end up taking it off. And that will happen here in a minute. So I really liked, like I said, the color of this Fancy Pants paper. It went really well because there's yellow tones, and there's that wood grain that's also a yellow tone in my photo. And then the blue kind of goes with the blue jeans and the color of the sheet on his bed and just his messy disaster of a room. And that I think was actually after he cleaned it. That's what it looked like. So yeah. I did back my photo with just a white piece of copy paper that I had to make a white border, and then added some more of that blue cardstock. And here I'm adhering everything down, and I decided I wanted a strip of that blue as well at the top and bottom. So I just cut a thin strip of the paper, and then I'm adding it down. I'm just using my ATG to stick that down, and then I'm going to start putting this, the cut file down. And I am going to be using the Pink Fresh Studio Case of the Blahs collection. I have the sticker sheet and the puffy stickers, and that's what I'm going to use to kind of embellish this page, because a lot of the sayings just work out really well for this. So, and that's another reason why I decided not to back a lot of the cut file in the blues, because there was some different colors in the stickers and everything I wanted to use. So I didn't want to completely just call attention to that blue color. So I'm going to pop this photo up on some fun foam. And I did cut that laundry basket off. So next to the D there was a laundry basket, and I was going to use it to cover part of my photo. However, I end up putting a cluster there, so I didn't want to just cover the basket up, so I end up using it in a different way up here. So I'm just using my Tombow Mono Multi to stick this down. Now if I did go back, because I don't know why I missed this, but in that O in floor, there's a sock hanging out of it. I would have backed the sock, but I don't know why I didn't realize that's what that was. So I definitely would go back and back that with the blue, I think. But now I'm just using some stickers. One of them says something like, when I saw this, I shook my head or something. One of them has a bunch of like an exclamation point, ampersand, you know, the at symbol kind of showing like almost swear words. And then I think one says like chaos or I live in chaos or something like that. And I'm just making sure that the colors kind of get spread around, that I have an orange piece in each one, this kind of yellowy green color, just to make sure that they're all kind of represented in each area. And now I'm going to use this little font that come on the sticker sheet to spell out really down here at the bottom, and then at the top I put seriously. And then I'm going to work on another cluster down at the bottom underneath the really. So if you haven't already checked out the shop, I will have links down below to both the specific the Floordrobe cut file, but also just to the shop in general, as well as the Confessions of a Paper Addict Facebook group. So if you don't already belong to the Facebook group, you definitely want to check it out. There's always fun things, more inspiration from the rest of the design team. It's where you find out about if there's going to be free cut files available and any sales or specials that are running. In March it's going to be a fun month, so you definitely want to head on over there and join for the month of March to check out the fun surprises that we have planned. So yeah, be sure you click on the link down below for that. Also, if you wouldn't mind subscribing to my channel and watching a couple of videos if you have time. I am getting close to being able to have the correct number of watch hours on my channel. And so I'm really excited about that. And so if you wouldn't mind helping me out, that would be amazing. Just finishing up this cluster, and then I think that's gonna be it. Oh, I'm writing down anytime, any year, or something like that, or any day, any year, instead of putting down the date, because I thought it was just funny because you can go in his room at any time and see that. But thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you again next time. Bye!